In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Minecraft mod called Deceasedcraft, a mod that turns your world into a true zombie apocalypse experience. To do this, we'll be using an application called CurseForge. Downloading it is very simple. First, open your preferred browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then, go to Google and search for CurseForge exactly as I'm showing here. The first result should be the official website, curseforge.com. Click on it. Once you're on the site, you'll need to download the CurseForge app. Just click the orange button that says Get CurseForge app. A new page will open. Here, click on Download Standalone. There is also an option to download it via Overwolf, but I personally recommend using the standalone version. After that, the installer will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or access it through your browser's download bar. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. A setup window will open. Select your preferred language and click Next. Then choose where you want CurseForge to be installed on your computer. Make sure to accept the Terms of Use and Privacy policy by checking the box and click Next again. The installation will then begin. Once installed, open CurseForge. On the left-hand menu, click on Home to access the main dashboard. Here, you'll see all the games installed on your computer that support mods. CurseForge is a third-party application that allows you to easily install mods created by the community for various games. You'll notice that several games are supported, such as The Sims, Hytale, World of Warcraft, and of course, Minecraft, which is the focus of this video. On the left-hand side, click on the Minecraft icon. If the Minecraft icon doesn't appear, it means CurseForge hasn't detected the game. This can happen if Minecraft isn't installed or wasn't automatically recognized. To fix this, click on Add a Game. You'll have the option to scan your computer for installed games or add it manually. Try scanning first. If it doesn't work, add Minecraft manually. Once Minecraft is available, click on it in the sidebar. This will open the Minecraft Mods section. As you can see, I already have some mods installed, but the one we're downloading today is called Deceasedcraft. In the search bar, labeled Search for Minecraft Projects, type Deceasedcraft and press Enter. After the page loads, you'll see multiple results, but the original one is usually the first result with millions of downloads. Click on it to open the mod page. On this page, you'll find information about the mod, including an overview, videos, credits, and the development roadmap. Since we just want to install it, click the orange Install button. After clicking Install, the mod will start downloading automatically. If you go back to the My Modpack section, you'll see that Deceasedcraft has been added and is currently installing on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you'll see Deceasedcraft available in the My Modpack section. To start playing, simply click on the Modpack and then click the Play button. The game will begin loading, and after a few moments, Minecraft will launch with everything set up and ready to go. From there, just start your world and enjoy the experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help me as well.